Once you've sent out a questionnaire or a form, you'll notice that the response tab gets a little number next to it as responses start arriving into it. Now, by going on this, you can see straight away what people have done and what people have said. You can do this while the form is still out there and still updating, so you get a live idea of how things are going. This is useful if you have a large group of answers. So the first question was multiple choice. The Google Forms thinks about it and decides the best way to present a multiple choice is to present it as a pie chart. I agree. It shows you that clearly their gymnastics has been the most popular choice. The next question was a linear scale one. How much do you like school? And it shows ratings on a bar graph straight away. Our third question was a checkbox one. So children could pick more than one answer from each time. So you can see of the 29 people who took this quiz or this form, 14 of them, so that's 48% of the group, have been Star of the Week. Now, obviously, a pie chart here could go wrong very quickly, so a graph is in this style is the best way of showing it. This question was a text question with a short response. So as you can see, the data results from this one aren't quite as useful, but you can see at a quick glance rather than having to scan through 29 different forms. It just gives you the bit that you need to read. There were only 27 responses to this one, so this obviously hadn't been set up to be a must respond. Finally, there was a multiple choice checkboxes. So they had to say for each question subject how much they enjoyed it. And this graph is magnificently big. There's probably far too much information on there to use at once. But then when you look back at the question on the form, you could probably say the form question was too big. So that's something to consider when using this style of questionnaire. How big do you want the results to be? Because you might end up with something that's almost unreadable. Now, this form is still live. Anyone who has the link can still send me responses to it. I set it up as a link one rather than an email, so the link is still out there. All I need to do at this stage now, if I want to close it, is click on that button. I will no longer accept responses, so it's capped off at those 29. It will not change anymore. So if someone tries to fill it in from the link, they'll just get that message pop up straight away. I can edit that and change that if I want to. So that is how to interpret the data and how to see the responses to your form. It's quite exciting watching it come in live, though.